Netball defense drills. Without a strong defense, no netball team can ever hope to win a match, and that's why it's extremely important for players to work on and practice their defense skills during training. And to help them to do that, you'll find a collection of useful and extremely effective netball defense drills below that when practiced regularly will have players defending like a pro. Piggy in the middle. This netball defensive drill requires 7 or more players and 1 ball. Start the drill by having the players form a circle with 2 of the players in the middle of it. The players forming the circle must then pass to one another using different styles of passes along with varying heights and speeds, and as each of the players passes they must call out the name of the player that they are passing to. Then as each player passes to one another, the 2 players in the middle must try to intercept the ball. Once one of the players in the middle of the circle successfully intercepts 5 balls, they can then swap places with one of the players on the outside of the circle. The triangle drill. This netball defending drill requires 4 players and 1 ball. To perform the drill, have 3 players stand in the formation of a triangle of about 3 meters with 1 player being given a ball and designated the thrower. The 4th player, the defender, must stand opposite the thrower and in the middle of and a tiny bit in front of the other 2 players, who are the receivers. First, the thrower must make a chest pass to one of the receivers, and then the defender must try to intercept the ball. Once the defender has successfully intercepted 5 balls, the players then rotate positions. Red Rover drill. Here's another great netball drill for working on defending skills that are played on 2/3 of a netball court. The first 3 players are selected to be defenders and they are not allowed to cross the transverse line, which is the middle marker. Then upon the coach's signal, the rest of the players must try to cross the transverse line from the baseline over the middle marker. As the rest of the players try to cross the transverse line, the defenders must try to zone as many people as possible, and players who cannot be zoned can successfully cross the transverse line. The drill should continue until all but 1 player has reached the line and that last player swaps place with one of the defenders. Zoning out drill. Here's another drill that is played over 2/3 of a netball court. To perform this drill, start by splitting players up into 2 groups. One group will be the offensive team and the other will be the defensive team. The defenders must then line up along the middle transverse line between the 2/3 and the offenders must then line up along the baseline. The coach then must select 1 defender and 2 offenders, and upon the coach's signal, the offenders must run at the defender from varied positions along the line and the defender to try to zone the offenders from getting into the area. Continue this drill until everyone has had a turn and then swap positions.